Oh, hey guys, this is Anthony3033. Yesterday, I ordered something with that gift card. So, yeah, delivered just today. I ordered it yesterday, said it came in tomorrow. I waited till tomorrow. This is today now. I waited until Monday. Boom, it's Monday. Yeah, so yeah. I got Fire Luigi. So yeah. Yeah, he's made by Sine, the same people that made Mario Party 5 plush. So, yeah. Open that. I could open both ways if I want. But I'm just gonna take a while. So, yeah. Got Fire Luigi out. He looks cool. He looks like CMB's Luigi. The cute Mario Brothers Luigi. Or Crazy Mario Bros. Fire Luigi. I mean, look. See? It has that. Yeah. That. Tag. Yeah. What? Yeah. Might cut that out. There's no video today, just an unboxing video, but when I compare him to my Luigi. Alright. So I got regular Luigi. With Fire Luigi. Supposed to be injured. But I can use this as Luigi's fire form. Yeah. Anyways, guys. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Bye, everybody. This is an unboxing video.